right, here we go. 1, 2. How much do you think that was? What's up, squad? Check it out. Guess what I got? It is probably one of the best additions to the Isochain like ever for legs. For you guys that have been following NoLimitSquad since like early days, I really am like a fanatic about my legs. Like I really want them to be like super strong, and they have just been playing a horrible game of catch up to my upper body, and it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain. That's a whole nother 45-minute video. But we found a way to fix it. Austin squat was the move. But hold on, we might have it beat. We're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what I just picked up. So these are pretty much just forearm forklift. Oh, I don't need that. But oh wow, these are bigger than I thought. Holy crap. Oh, I get 2 of them too. Okay, cool. There's 2 of them. Yeah, that doesn't help, right? So 2. Oh, nice. Might have one for downstairs for the ones that I have clients use. So this is a forearm forklift strap. Here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this around the Isochain bar, and then wrap this around our waist, so that way it's essentially the Austin squat, only way better, because now we can get up off the couch and just rip into the bar. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and set this up right now. I'm going to show you guys the process, and let's get this show on the road. I feel a huge gain coming to not only the squat, but also the split squat, the lunge on the Isochain. Lunges, yo, that is the move on the Isochain. Personal opinion, let's get into it. Alright guys, I think we got it here. If you have a bigger waist, you'll probably need to use this. There's an extra loop here. I use the one closer to you because my waist is small. I don't know if these come in a smaller size. I did not see that option on Amazon. But a link is down below if you want to grab them. So this really seems like it's about to be perfect. I can already feel this is gonna be good. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna do this a couple times so we can see from different angles. So this is straight up, here we go. I'm not holding on to anything. Oh, jeez. Okay, all right. All right, so what I will say is this probably has to be perfectly aligned. Otherwise, it's gonna be torque on the ring. You do not want torque on the ring. You don't, ever. I'm gonna try this again. Dang, I did feel that. Like, my quads are under load right now, for sure. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, all right. Now, let's give it another test. Let's bring it down a little. I was on chain link 10 there for squat. Usually I'm on like chain link 6, 7. I'm just gonna try 5 because with the strap on here, it's a little bit of give. And the more you go into it, the tighter it's gonna wrap around your waist. So that's messing with me a little bit. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh, wow! I like that. 520, that sounds about right. Oh my goodness. That was all leg. That felt great. I wanna try it again. And then I'm gonna do a couple more runs from different angles so you guys can see. I like this. Oh, this is gonna allow for total raw leg power. The only issue here is because of these forces, usually like forces over like 350, 400, start to warp the bar a little bit. So you just gotta be careful. If you guys didn't see my quick hack on that, here's a link right here. Just bring your feet closer to the spring, and that will help with the flex on the base plate. All right, I'm gonna try this again with my feet closer. That was good. I like that. Oh, wow. I like that. What was that, by the way? 614 felt like that. Wow. Y'all gonna have to try that for yourselves, you know. Wow. Let's try a lower chain link. That is just raw leg power. So let's try. I was chain link 5. Let me just go down 1, chain link 4. I want to see the lowest I can get. When I got down to 2, like I felt like I couldn't get up, and I'm trying to avoid that. Whoa, man, that was tough. And go. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. Whoa. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I love it. Okay, hold on now, hold on. All right, we're gonna get some different angles for us. Woo. Got more squats. This should be a very good angle for us. I'm on chain link 4. I'm probably gonna go down to chain link 3 and 2 just to show you guys. Yo, my quads were lit. This is so much better. Just requires, whoa, a little bit more setup. Oh shit. Okay. Holy crap. All right, here we go. 1, 2. How much do you think that was? Yeah? How about 722? Oh my God. I gotta be really careful. I really don't want to mess with my loading ring, guys. I really put everything, in case you couldn't tell, I put everything I had into it. Alright, let's try it again. I mean, this is 100% raw leg strength. No spine involved, just straight up legs. Interesting. Let's try this. This is chain link 3. And I really gave that everything I had too. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh man. It did that thing where it like catches the little one at the end, so it showed 30 pounds. It's about 500 pounds. I don't know how to explain this except you gotta feel this burn for yourself. Whoa, I can only imagine what my numbers would have been doing this on the Isochain challenge. My quads burn in a way that Austin squat and Zercher squat have just not done. They just have not done it. I want to try it again. Goodness, my quads are on fire right now. Wow, I think we have a winner here. I really do. Just guys, please make sure that your loading ring is pointed directly down. I mean, make sure that you're paying attention to where that ring is all the way up until right before you start pulling, because you do not want that thing to be pulled at an angle at these forces. You don't. I can't even get up. I'm just that tired. My quads are on fire. Here we go. Oh, no, nothing. Oh. Wow. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Yo, that's wild. It feels like I did a burnout set. I didn't do but what, 4, 5 on this video? Granted, it was 700 from a higher chain link. All right, it's this higher chain link. I understand that. I am not squatting 700. I'm not Saquon Barkley, but wow. In case you didn't hear me the first time, wow. I mean, I feel it right now. Guys, we have a freaking winner here. My legs are, I did a little time skip. It's been about 10 minutes since I finished the last lift. Dude, my legs are trembling right now. Like, they are trembling. This is a freaking winner. Who knew? A freaking moving strap? Really? David Shores, thank you so much for this. Wow, I love it. And guys, you're not limited to using just a moving strap. You can use like the belt. If you guys have ever done like weighted dips in the gym, where you strap the belt with the chain on it, where you could put the a 45-pound plate or whatever. That is also another way that you can hook that up. Now, if you guys want to see a video of me setting that up for you, I can do that as well. Just shoot a message down in the comments section below. I can make that video for us. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna drop a link again down in the description for where you can get these. My legs have not felt like that. The only time that they felt like crazy like that is right in the beginning when I was doing the Zercher squats, before I started running into the back problem. And now, I mean, I could go all in without worrying about a damn thing, guys. There is no spinal load at all. You know how huge that is? I just recommend it to anyone, whether you have back problems or not. This is crazy. Yo, I'm still feeling it. I'm still feeling it. I said this about the Austin squat too. The Austin squat is dope, yo. If you could get this is the next step up from the Austin squat. But the Austin squat is dope. I'm not gonna like discredit that at all. Like, you need to do the Austin squat if you don't have access to a belt, or the weightlifting belt. This just I don't have to, with the Austin squat, you do have to hold it if you get in the higher chain links. If you don't hold it, it's just gonna slide down your leg and off. You don't gotta do nothing. You could just, yo, 20 bucks well spent, man. I might get 4 shots at the bar for 20 bucks, but yo, this is where it's at right here. I highly recommend grabbing a forearm forklift strap. It works, yo. I cannot wait to do squats now. I was hyped with the Austin squat, and I did see an increase in my leg density and strength, but this just brought it to a whole nother level. I would like to make a separate video now for the split squat, the lunge with this, because we can certainly do that. I would like to practice first before I make a video on that, because that is more than likely going to involve a lot of balance. This is great. Guys, if you found value in this, be sure to drop a like, go ahead and comment. If you're not yet part of the squad, hit that subscribe button, come join the squad with us, and we'll see you next video. Peace.
Combat fatality in your face, blood.